How to use WhatsApp on two phones with same number. For this we need a smartphone with WhatsApp connected. He will be number 1 in the video, and the smartphone on which we are going to connect WhatsApp. In the video it will be number 2. First, we will install WhatsApp on smartphone number 2. To do this, we will open the application store and enter the name of the application in the search. Once we have found WhatsApp, let's install it. After downloading and installing, let's launch the application. We will give the necessary permissions for WhatsApp to work. Next, tap on the 3 dots in the upper right corner. Select Link as companion device from the menu. A page with a QR code will appear. You need to scan it using your smartphone number 1. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. In smartphone number 1, open WhatsApp and call up the menu by clicking on the 3 dots in the upper right corner. Select Settings. Tap on the icon to the right of the nickname. Go to the Scan Code tab. The camera starts, which we point at the QR code of the smartphone number 2. As soon as the message device login code detected appears on smartphone number 1, we click Continue and get to the Link Devices page. Here we click on the Link a Device button. After which the camera turns on and we again use it to scan the QR code from smartphone number 2. After successful scanning, the camera turns off and WhatsApp on smartphone number 2 is activated. Thank you for watching.